Hello guys, today we're going to learn about FANUC CNC control overview, its keys, how to use them. So let's go. Start with the screen. Here you can see the positions, active tool details, spindle speed details, feed rate details. All this information you will get. Next is the position button. Here you will get about the machine positions, absolute positions, distance to go. With the help of Program button, you will get the active program details, and you can access the NC files directory. With Offset key, you will get the tool offset page and the work coordinate, guard function, and macro variable. With the System key, you will get the machine parameter and the PMC screen, and you will get Ethernet details also. With the Message screen, you will get the operator message alarm screens, and you want to diagnose it. All the information you will get in the Message screen. With the Custom screen, you will get the OEM screen, and you can access the tool data page, ATC recovery, and M code and G codes. With the Shift key, you can use while you are writing the program, you can use the Shift key for the sub-alphabet case. With the Cancel key, you can use in the editing mode. If you have entered wrongly something you want to cancel it, you can use Cancel button. We now move to Input button. If you want to use the Input button, any command you have written to add it in the screen, you can use Input button. Alter button, it is like a replace. If you want to replace any command with a new one, use Alter button. Insert button, if you are writing any alphabet numerical value, you can add it in the editor page. If you want to delete full command as a selection, so you can use Delete button. These are the alphabetic and numerical keys, which are used to write the new program. So now moves to the Reset button. This is like cancellation key. If any running program, you want to reset it. If any alarm comes, you want to cancel it. So you can use Reset key. These are the vertical sub-menu keys. If you want to select the option on screen, you can use soft keys. These are the horizontal soft keys. If any option on the screen at the horizontal, and you want to select with the soft keys, you can do. These are the cursor keys, like if you want to go to the top of the program, you can use the page up, page down key, and the cursor keys to move the left or right, top, bottom. And last is the help functions. If you want to access any alarm, details, manual, you can use this button. This is the emergency key. If any accident happens, any wrongly thing happens, you can use the emergency key to stop the machine. These are the controller of power key. You can use to switch on your controller and switch off the controller. Now, next come to auto mode. This case for if you want to run the program in memory mode, you can use auto key. Next is the edit mode if you want to write a new program. If you want to transfer a program from external memory, something like that. In the MDI mode, it is like manual data input. If you want a tool change spindle RPM, in DNC mode, you can run your program with the data server and with the USB. Single block is an option, like if you want to run your program block-wise, you have to select the single block key. Now next is the block skip. If you want to skip any block from your program, use the slash to mention in your program, and you can skip any block. Now come to optional stop. This is a function if you have used M01 command in your program. Machine will get stopped whenever it reads M01. Teach is the function Machine Makers gives for the tool offset setting and the work offset setting. Now come on the Restart button if your machine gets switched off in between and you want to restart the program from the last position. Use the Restart key. Machine Lock is the function if you are sending machine from one place to another. Press Machine Lock key. Dry Run is like Test Run button. If you want to check your program in the air, you can use to dry run and you can go much faster. With the Cycle Stop key, you can stop. Hold the program and machine will get stop in between. Next is the Cycle Start button. With the Cycle Start button, you can run your program from starting from middle if you have press Cycle Stop. Next is Program Stop button. So Program Stop, it is like M02. Using M02, you have to switch on this button. These are the most likely reference. If you switch on your machine, go to Reference and reference the All Access XYZ. This is the Jog button. If you want to use override key for the positioning of XYZ, you can use this Jog button. This Increment mode, if you want to move incrementally with a key of plus and minus your axis, you can use this key. This is the Handle button. If you want to use MPG for the positioning, you can use this key. And for the feed override selection, you can switch between the 1 micron 10 micron 0.1 division accordingly. Now next come to the axis selection keys. Here you can select your axis, whatever you want, go to negative, positive side, or in the rapid mode. These are the spindle keys. With those keys, you can start the spindle clockwise, counterclockwise, or you want to stop the spindle. You have to select these buttons. This is the override key for the feed rate and the rapid feed rate. You can use this knob. This is the spindle override button. With this help, you can increase your spindle speed by 10%. With the 1 division, up to 120% you can go. That's all for today, so if you have any questions, please comment below. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.